day is starting. Step forward, let's get going. No looking back, the future's in your hands. Keep moving forward, don't ever stop. Don't fear failure, it's part of the ride. Next time you'll get it right. Rise up, it's time to try. This is your moment, let's fly. Go for it, believe in today. We can break through any wall. Chase your dreams, run towards the light. Push your limits, give it all. Sweat and struggles, it's all part of the game. But the answer waits just ahead. A heart that won't quit will carve the way. Tomorrow will shine brighter than today. Overcome every challenge you face. Trust in yourself, keep up the pace. Now's the time, don't look back. Step forward, take your shot. Go for it, believe in today. We can break through any wall. Chase your dreams, run towards the light. Push your limits, give it all. Rise again, no matter how many times you fall. Feel the wind and stand tall. You're on the path, you'll break through. The future's yours, it's all up to you. Go for it, believe in today. We can break through any wall. Chase your dreams, run towards the light. Push your limits, give it all. Go for it, now's the time to shine. Push past your fears and reach for the sky. Go for it, never give up. Your future's in your hands, so rise up. Wake up, the day is starting. Step forward, let's get going. No looking back, your future's in your hands. Keep moving forward, don't ever stop. Go for it, believe in love. We can break through any wall. In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. On the road we find stories, steps that